America isn't just a country, it's an experience, from calm mountain lakes reflecting the sky to busy city streets glowing at night. Every place feels different. Every street tells a story. One moment, you're standing in silence, surrounded by nature so beautiful it almost feels unreal. The next moment, you're in the middle of bright lights, traffic, and nonstop energy. That contrast is what makes America special. Wide open highways, skylines that stretch into the clouds, neighborhoods full of culture, food, music, and dreams. It's not just about landmarks, it's about the feeling you get when you explore something new. Different views, different lifestyles, different dreams, all in one country. This is the beauty of the USA. Where should we explore next?